Hello, my name is Conrado Doliente Jr. I am 34 years old and I live in Kisao, Pililla, Rizal, Philippines. I have already married and have one beautiful daughter. Regarding to my previous job, I worked in Taiwan for almost 6 years, from January 2019 until February 2025. I work as a welder, machine operator, factory worker, and sometimes forklift operator. And before I work in Taiwan, I also work here in the Philippines for almost 6 years as a welder. And regarding my hobbies, I love cooking, riding bicycle, playing basketball, and reading books from time to time. I am also hardworking and willing to learn more. I hope to work with you soon. Thank you and have a good day.